Bucky stand takes radiology of the head, chest, abdomen, joints and other parts of the body by cooperating with various X-ray machines. Newheek bucky stand is mainly composed of 4 parts: column, slide frame, chip box and balancing device. Filter grid as our optional components. And our filter grid according to the structure is divided into parallel grid, convergent grid, cross grid. Our grid can be different according to your needs. The height of our bucky stand is about 2 meters, and the size of the film box is divided into 14x17 inches and 17x17 inches. BUCKYS lifting and lifting methods are divided into electric and manual ones. Newheek bucky stand is divided into fixed type, mobile type and suspension type. And easy to install. The vertical bucky stand can install movable base according to the customer's requirements. In addition, our bucky stand can receive 3 static imaging methods: film, IP plate and flat plate detector. Newheek bucky stand can meet your different purchasing needs.